chicken mini rolls.
Half kg boneless chicken pieces. Salt as per taste. 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Half tsp of turmeric powder. Half tsp of ginger garlic paste. Half tsp of garam masala powder. 2 to 3 tsps of corn flour. Half tsp of black pepper powder. 1 whole egg. One lemon juice. Take a bowl and add chicken, turmeric powder. Add red chili powder, salt. Add black pepper, garam masala powder, and ginger garlic paste. Add lemon juice. Add corn flour and egg. Mix them well. Marinate and leave for 1 hour. Two cups of maida all-purpose flour. Salt as per taste. Half tsp of iwam carom seeds. 1 tbsp of melted bee. Take a mixing bowl and add maida. Add salt, carom seeds and bee. Mix them well. Gradually add lukewarm water and make soft dough. Soft dough is done. Leave dough for 15 minutes. Take dough and make into equal parts. Equal-sized dough balls are ready. Sprinkle some flour and roll. Roll into a big chapati. Make chapati of this much thickness. Now cut into thick strips. Place marinated chicken piece and roll. Take a toothpick and prick along with chicken roll. Repeat the process. Chicken rolls are ready for frying. Take 2 tablespoons of maida and add some water and mix. Add 1 teaspoon of corn flour and mix. Slurry is ready. Heat oil. Coat rolls from sides in slurry and dip in oil. Deep fry rolls on medium flame. Fry until crisp and golden brown. Flip on other side and fry. Rolls are fried well. Remove them. Chicken rolls are done. Crispy and tasty chicken mini rolls are ready to serve. Do try and enjoy this recipe with green chutney in Ramzan. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Explore and cook.